The automatic fire sprinkler was invented in the 19th century and has had a significant impact on the world in several ways. Improved fire safety. The automatic fire sprinkler is a highly effective fire suppression system that can quickly and automatically detect and extinguish fires before they can spread and cause extensive damage. Reduced fire-related deaths and injuries. The automatic fire sprinkler has saved countless lives by preventing the spread of fires and allowing people to evacuate buildings safely. Protected property. The automatic fire sprinkler has prevented billions of dollars worth of property damage by quickly extinguishing fires and preventing them from spreading. Boosted construction and building design. The automatic fire sprinkler has had a significant impact on building design and construction, as it has allowed for more open and flexible building designs that can be used for a variety of purposes. While the automatic fire sprinkler has been a crucial technology in fire safety, there are still ways that it can be improved. One area of improvement is in the development of more advanced fire suppression systems that can better detect and respond to fires. For example, there is a growing interest in using artificial intelligence and machine learning to develop more advanced fire detection and suppression systems. Additionally, there is a need to ensure that automatic fire sprinklers are installed and maintained properly to ensure they are functioning correctly in the event of a fire. Finally, there is a need to continue to educate people about the importance of fire safety and the benefits of automatic fire sprinklers in preventing fire-related deaths and injuries.